Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to replace a damaged shower mixer bar. It's that time of year where people are getting their vans out of storage, and if the van hasn't been winterized properly, one of the common faults is the shower mixer bar has become damaged due to frost building up and causing it to crack and leak. So let's get into it. So you can see here, you're going to need some adjustable spanners, and before you carry out any of the work, you want to make sure that your water pump is switched off. So I do that by toggling off relay 2 in this system. I also have installed some isolator taps in the supply pipes towards the mixer bar. You can see, turn these off so that the supply to the hot and the cold mixer bar is off. I'm also going to open up the mixer bar just to relieve any pressure that's inside the bar itself, before getting the adjustable spanner and loosening off the nuts which connect the mixer bar to the wall, like this. You can now use your fingers to get the mixer bar loose and remove it from the wall completely. Okay. It's now coming off from the wall, and you can see a couple of rubber washers that have fallen to the floor. These are the rubber washers that create a watertight seal between the mixer bar and the supply pipes. So now it's time to get your brand new mixer bar that you're going to be replacing the damaged one with, and ensure that those rubber washers are put into the nuts. You can then reverse the process and do these nuts up into the plate on the wall by using your fingers until they're finger tight, and then nipping them up with the adjustable spanner. Once this is done, you can then move the isolation taps into the on position and turn on your water pump and test the system to ensure that it all works and is leak free. So I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Do like and subscribe to our channel for more van life content, and I'll see you next time.